Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Middleware AI Academy. In the last video, we explored some basic Linux commands. So today we'll move a step further and learn intermediate Linux commands that are commonly used in real-time work and interview preparation. So let's get started. So first command is tar-cvf. It is basically to create a tar archive of files and directories. Second command is tar-xvf. It is to extract files from a tar archive. Third command is Gzip. It is basically to compress a file into .gz format. Fourth command is gunzip. It is to decompress a .gz file. Fifth command is ps-ef. It shows all running processes in full format. Sixth command is ps-ef pipe grep service name. It is to search for specific process, example sftp. Seventh command is kill-9 pid kills a process using its PID. Now eighth command name is su-middleware. It is to switch user to middleware account. Ninth command is grep string file name. It is basically to search for text inside a file. Now the time for the 10th command. The 10th command is find space slash hyphen name file name like shadow. It is basically to search for a file named shadow in root directory. It searches in real time but it is slower. 11th, locate space file name. It quickly searches for files and directories by name. Locate is faster but may not find very new files. It needs database update using update db. Now the time for 12th command. It is df -h. It shows disk space usage in human readable format. So now the time for the 13th command. It is du-sh star. It shows size of all files or folders in current directory. 14th is free-m. It displays memory usage in MB. So now time for the 15th command is chmod mod 755, then file name. It basically changes file permissions. Now the 16th command chown user group, then file name. It basically changes file ownership. Now the last but not the least is the 17th command. It's uptime and it shows how long the system has been running. So today basically we have learned 17 intermediate commands of Linux, which I have already told you what are the uses of these commands. I hope you like my video and you have found it useful. Keep practicing, because without practicing you are going to forget all these commands. So keep practicing and stay tuned. Thank you for liking. I hope you will like this video. If you find it useful, please don't forget to hit the button like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned again. Thank you.